Hi, it's Alex from Car Detail 360. Clear and bright headlights are essential when driving. They help you to see at night and keep you safe, but over time they can get dim. UV rays, dirt, and extreme weather can also dull your headlights and oxidize them. Many drivers are looking for a way to make the headlights look new again. Clearcoat is the best way to do this because it will last for a long time. Car Detail 360 uses Clearcoat to restore your headlights to look new for years. For just $99, enjoy the improved look of your ride with those beautiful bright headlights illuminating the road in front of you. Ensure your family's safety when driving. Improve nighttime visibility on the road. Minimize the risk of accidents due to poor visibility conditions. Enjoy less stress on your eyes when driving at night. If your headlights are giving you trouble, call us today. Let us help you fix your headlights to enjoy a clear night view again.